Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're going to take a look at questions 8, 9, and 10. They're asking here, which of the following questions is represented by the model? And the top line is talking about a numeric value, where the bottom line is talking about percent. How do we know it's talking about percent? Because all of it would be 100%, and we have the 100 right here. And if we kind of look here, they want to know what number, right, would correspond with that. So if we think of 40 out of 100 as a ratio, that's equal to 40%. We want to know what is the part, because remember the numerator is talking about the part and the denominator is talking about the whole, and when you have 100% of something you have all of it. So 40 out of 100, we want to know what's the part out of 60 if 60 is the all of it number. So which of these is that reflecting? What is 100% minus 60%? That's completely ridiculous. What is 100% of 60? This is 100%, this is 60, so that one, I can see why people would fall for that. But if we look at choice C, it says, what is 40% of 60? Now, is 40% equal to 40 over 100? Yes. And is 60 the all of it number? Yes. So that's looking like the one we're going to go for, but let's make sure we're going to eliminate that last one. 40% of 80 is what number? Now, I don't even see 80 anywhere in here. And even if we were going to fill in like this, if this was 10, 20, 30, 40, would that work? That wouldn't work. We really have to use proportions to really map this out. All right, let's take a look at the next one. What percent of the image is shaded? Remember, percent means some value out of 100. So we're talking about parts and wholes. Now, what's the whole? What's the all of it? If we count how many total squares there are, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going this way. So if we multiply 5 times 5, that would give us 25 total squares. And if we talk about what's shaded, if we count just these, that's 12 out of 25. So to figure out the percent that's shaded, we would want to know what is that out of 100. Since 25 is compatible with 100, let's take advantage of that. Multiply 25 times 4, and then multiply 12 times 4 to get your answer. All right, let's look at the next question. Renee surveyed the students in her class to see how many pets they have. The bar graph shows the results of the survey. What percent of the students in Renee's class own 2 or more pets? So the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what's the total here. What's the all of it number? If we add up what the numeric value for each bar is, so I think I'm looking at that correctly when I say that, that's a 5. That looks like it matches up with the 9. That's a 6. That looks like it's 3, and that's 2. So if we add up all the red numbers, that gives us 25. Now we're interested in 2 or more pets. So that would be this bar, and this bar. 2 or more would suggest they have 2, 3, or 4. If we add up all those numbers, 6 plus 3 plus 2, we get 11. Now remember, percent means some number out of 100. 25 is compatible with 100, so the only thing left to do is to just multiply 11 times 4, and whatever this number is out of 100 is the same thing as taking that number and putting a percent sign after it. So look through the answer choices and pick that answer. All right, so if you have any more questions, make sure you contact me or Mrs. Gu, and we'll be happy to help you.